Onward and next is race 181, the under-19 girls dub 6 250 metre te ihu finals. Waka Tipu Whai in lane number 1, Waka Tipu Mako in lane number 2, Ruamata Te Muka in 3, Hamilton girls Koura in 4, Manurewa 19 girls in 5, Gisborne girls Big Booms in 6, Motaku here. We've got Swaggerlicious in 7, Tauranga girls 6, Big Alphas in 8. We've got Ngā Ahukura in 9, Taiate One Pare Pare Hiriwa in 10. We've got also lane number 12, Skunks Deluxe. Those are the 12 lanes and the 12 waka out there battling it out to potentially be crowned national champions for 2026. Oh, exciting stuff. Vibes are high.
Nerves are high.
I bet. Let's just go back to what are going through your head while you're sitting at the starts. What's going through Ngā Tuire Hapi's
race
16-year-old
strategy.
head? Race strategy.
Oh, green
Job to do.
flag at Te Whānau, 181 races, under 19 girls, W6, 250 metre, Te Ihu final.
Lane 5 come up the line first. Lane 5 is our girls from Manurewa 19s. Nice, we've seen them dominate throughout the respective whakareangas again. Their Manurewa boys placed, their Manurewa 16s placed, and potentially we'll see a placement for their 19s girls.
Gisborne girls, Big Booms hockey. Like to see what they have.
Explosive paddling we're seeing on the water.
They have Hine Brooking paddling this time. She's been steering all week. We have lane 7, New Plymouth girls, Swaggerlicious, coming up on the left.
6 is pushing forward, Big Booms. I think there was the Kurahunai, the secret weapon, pulling the big guns from the back, pumping her into setting the tone, keeping the pace, and stealing the dub. They'll be going home with a beautiful gold medal around their necks.
Anei e te iwi, te tō aitanga. No clear lead from the start. We got to the halfway point, just ahead of everyone else, lane 6. We had Manurewa and Swaggerlicious coming up on both sides.
Yeah, ka pai. Ine kahukura. Booyah.
Having some lollies down
We've
her
got
name.
some snacks. Yeah.
Chocolate.
A hooky.
Chocolate at the back of the waka.
It's what fueled their fire. It's what got them over the line.
Can you give me some of that chocolate?
And he's like, yep, this is it. This is my reward. Exciting, man, exciting.
Anei ngā whakaputanga wā mo te reihi, tahirau waru te kaumā tahi, Gisborne girls, Big Booms, 1 minute, 5 seconds. Aratua Whetu, New Plymouth Girls High School, Swaggerlicious, 1 minute 6 seconds. Manurewa 19s girls, 1 minute 7 seconds.
Want some chocolate is what's bopping out. They're like, no, we want to go home with the gold. It's exactly what these girls will be awarded as well. What an incredible race that was. Actually, all the races we've seen over the last couple of days have been absolutely incredible. The level has risen once again. Every year we return, we see a continual progression of races. Style, flair, positioning, power, my goodness, technique. Wow. Wow, we do amazing at this sport. It's a bit more than just the sport too. It's about mana, it's about ihi, it's about connection, it's about whakawhanaungatanga, all those key values that make us iconically Māori. There they go, the girls celebrating each other.